Introducing the Kruger Air Touring Pants, designed, developed and 100% made in India by ViaTerra. Purpose-built for long-distance riding in tropical weather conditions, these pants deliver the right balance of abrasion resistance, breathability and functionality. The Kruger Air Pants feature large dual-layered panels of genuine 500D Invista Cordura at key impact zones at the knees, hips and seat to offer exceptional abrasion resistance. The adjacent areas are reinforced with 600D ripstop and 600D Oxford fabrics, improving tear resistance and durability in high wear zones. Expansive, high-strength mesh panels enable optimal airflow while maintaining structural integrity. Impact protection is delivered by a suite of CE Level 2 Type B PowerTector armors at the knees, hips and tailbone that offer wider coverage than Type A counterparts and are also perforated to ensure that ventilation is not restricted. A moisture-wicking inner lining helps to prevent sweat buildup, and a strategically designed single-layer stretch panel at the crotch allows for more comfortable movement, whether while getting on or off the bike or when in motion. Achieving the right fit is critical for riding comfort, and the Kruger Air Touring Pants incorporate a pre-curved design for maximum comfort and correct armor positioning when seated on the bike. Dual press buttons, Velcro waist adjusters, and cinch straps above the knee and calf allow you to dial in the fit better. Critically, the Kruger Air Pants are available in two inseam lengths, a regular inseam and a specific short inseam for shorter riders, just like we do in the Spencer. If the inseam, that is the length of pants, is too short, the pants may ride up, exposing the lower leg. If it's too long, excess fabric can bunch up and become uncomfortable, also resulting in wrong armor positions. With two inseam options, you can choose riding pants that will fit and function better. The Kruger Air Pants also incorporate ViaTerra's proprietary boot flex system with stretch panels at the calf, knee-length zippers, and an adjustable hem with Velcro closures, which work in combination to achieve a secure and comfortable fit over different types of riding boots. The two cargo storage pockets on the Kruger Air Touring Pants are positioned at an angle to ensure easy access even while being seated on the bike. Silicone detailed pocket flaps provide better grip and make it easier to open pockets even with gloves on. A 180-degree YKK pant connector zip allows the pants to integrate seamlessly with the Kruger Air Touring jacket to create a unified protective system that prevents exposure in case of a crash. Overall, the Kruger Air Touring Pants deliver an ideal combination of protection, comfort, and functionality for those who love to travel on two wheels. To find out more about the Kruger Air Touring Pants or riding jacket, visit viaterragear.com now.